Oral presentation, English level 2. Introduce myself. Pronunciation exercise you did in the first stage. Tell about my trip experience in Medellin. The weather in Medellin. Recommendation is you go to Medellin. My presentation. My name is William Sanchez. I live in Facatativá, a student electronics engineering, English 2 mother. I like read and play soccer. My family is my wife Milena, my son Julian, my daughter Manuela. Pronunciation exercise you did in the first stage. Stage 1, pronunciation practice. Practice the pronunciation of regular verbs and pause. Wished, naked, shipped, stopped, picture, picked up, faced, mashed, mopped, fished, smacked, punched, packed, smashed. My trip experience in Medellin. Experience of trip. My trip was to the city of Medellin, where the climate is very varied and a great variety of tourist attraction. Its people are very friendly. Its gastronomic diversity is in this type. Its typical dish is the bandeja paisa. I also recommend that you visit Guadalupe, Puerto Paisa, the burial park, among others. To travel the city by metro is wonderful and orderly, clean, and excellent city to visit. The weather in Medellin. My trip was to the city of Medellin, where the weather is very varied. In one day we feel all climates. In the morning is very cool. Some people wear a coat, scarf and gloves, and noon it's hot. They change of clothes, wearing a shirt and shorts, because they cannot stand the heat. It looks like an oven and its night is rain of frost. In houses, they use heating, which is weak. It is important when traveling to take care of this climate change stay affect health. Recommendation is you go to Medellin. Recommendation for planning the trip. What should people do in the place you visit last vacation? You must make reservation with time, since in the heat station it remains full. 2. You should carry out some exposure with sunscreen. 3. It is better to early in the thin hours. 4. It is better to travel by plane to the necessary city. What should not people do in the place you visit last vacation? 1. You should not leave children alone on the beach. 2. It is better not to lie at night outside the hotel. 3. Should not bother with over preparations. Thank you.